Welcome to the 55 plus community of Dreamland Villa. I'm Lydia Wietsma with Realty Executives. I'd like to introduce you to my latest listing. This home offers 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, 1,623 square feet, completely remodeled kitchen with pull-out shelves, and an extra bonus room with lots of space. Walk-in shower, 2-car garage with lots of extra storage space, and a workbench. There is an extra room for sewing, crafting, or as a home-based business. Out back, you'll find lots of sitting areas with citrus trees and pavers. Seller is paying the first year's fee so the new owner can enjoy all of the club activities that Dreamland Villa has to offer. For more information on this home or to schedule a private showing, contact me, Lydia Wietsma, at 602-363-1720 and have an amazing Arizona day.